This summer we will be using the software from Beanstack to facilitate our summer reading program. If you happened to give it a try last year, we did sample it last year during the summer, or if you were part of the Charlie Coyle challenge this spring, you may already have a Beanstack account with Weymouth Public Libraries. And if you do, you can just sign in at the top in the right. It says sign in, and you can use that. Or we'll scroll down. If you haven't got an account, you can register for one right here. You can register either just one person or an entire family all at once. A lot of people like to register the adult in the family and then add the children to the same account so all the logging can be done easily at once. But I am going to sign in here because I already have my own account. So now I am signed in and I can see for myself what challenges are available for me to register for. And currently the only one I can see here is the Read to BEAD Summer 2021 Challenge. So if you can read a little bit about the challenge. In this case, we're going to be doing our Read to BEAD program where you register and you come into the library and pick up your chain and your little reading tag that you can put on it right away. And then you are going to log your minutes reading on our Beanstack site every day. And you will be earning digital badges through Beanstack. And once you've earned the badges, you can come into the library and redeem those digital badges for beads to add to your chain. The prizes we're working on them right now. We've got a few prizes in line, but you should check back later for more. So I think what I'm going to do is go down here. It says I'm not currently registered for this challenge, and I can register for it right here. I have registered for this challenge, and I see now that I have unlocked my first badge, and that is the Anchor badge. Now the reward for unlocking the Anchor badge is a chain and the Tufts Library brag tag. So what you need to do next is come on into the children's room at 46 Broad Street to collect your reward. I also see that I have earned one ticket, and I can click on this button here that says enter a drawing. And it tells me I have one ticket to spend in this challenge. And what that means when they say spend a ticket, it means you're entering yourself into one of our prize raffles. Right now I've only got two prizes to see here. We have the Swan Boat Rides, 4 tickets to the Swan Boats of Boston. Or the other option I see is a $50 gift card to Cece's Pizza and Catering. What I could do right now is decide which prize I would hope to win and add that ticket to that prize pool, or maybe I would prefer this one, or I can wait and decide to do it later on. I think for my own purposes, I'm going to wait and maybe make my decision on what prizes I want to try to win later on. Now, where will I go from here? I can, if I would like to jump right in and log in some minutes, I could go up to the top left-hand side at this red button here that says Log, Reading, and Activities. And if I were to click on that, it says, who am I logging for? And I'm logging for myself. And am I doing minutes, or do I want to complete an activity? I'm going to choose minutes. And now I get to say when I did my reading. For instance, maybe I want to say on the 28th of March in this case. Now, time spent reading. It says here you can either let it know in hours or minutes or a little combination of both. But for my purposes today, I am going to type in 1 hour. So I'm going to do 1 and the letter H. If you would like to put in a title because you read a particular book and you want to keep track of that, this is something that is optional. Same thing for author. I will say, I'm going to give it a try. Green eggs and ham. Now the system recognizes some titles, and I'm going to look and see this green eggs and ham, and I'm going to log that in. I have unlocked another badge. It is the anglerfish badge for reading 1 hour. So my reward will be 4 plain beads. So this is what happens next. I can come into the children's room of the Tufts Library, and I'm going to check in with the bead banker. I'm going to give him my name, and then I am going to claim my 4 plain beads and add them to my chain. And then I'm going to choose some more books, go home, read some more, and come back to the library when I've earned my next reward. I have also earned a ticket for another prize drawing, so if I wanted to enter that right now, I could be doing that. But I'm going to save that for later. I'm going to scroll up and close this whole window down. And now I'm back at my main challenge page. So it's letting me know I still have 2 tickets to spend, haven't spent them yet. I can look at my challenge badges, and what those are, there's only 2 challenge badges. Once when you register and once when you complete it. So I've only registered, I haven't finished the challenge yet, so that's the only one that's in color. I can go to my logging badges and see what's going on here. Now I am able to see all the badges that can be earned. Only the ones that are earned already are in color. The others are all in black and white. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can see some of them. So you get, for the first 8 hours, you get a badge for each hour. And then after that, the badges go up by increments of 4 hours. So it goes from 8 hours to 12 hours. So it gets a little tougher to earn badges as you go along. Go all the way down. The last badge you can earn on this challenge is the 40-hour Eagle. You can continue reading and logging your minutes for your own purposes, but our challenge ends at 40 hours. So I can look at the reading log. My reading log shows me the Dr. Seuss Green Eggs and Ham book. It says I read for 1 hour so far. If you'd like, you have the option to print it. Now another feature we have is the Friends feature. So if you have a friend who is also doing this Beanstack challenge at the Weymouth Public Libraries, you can invite them to be able to look at your reading log and how many minutes you've been reading and share it with them. And then there is a leaderboard, and it will show you your rank, which one of your friends is in first place, second place, third place. So if you like to challenge each other, you can include your friends, but that is totally optional. All badges. Okay, my all badges button shows me all the badges I've earned so far. If you would like to do some book reviews, you can do that by going up to the top next to where you log in your minutes. There is an option to add a review, and there are 2 different types. There is a review that you can write, or you can post a picture of something that has to do with a book you've read. So if you don't feel like writing anything, you can say draw a nice picture about what you read, or make a diorama and send a picture of that in. Anything creative that you want to do is where you could post a picture review. And once you've done that, you should be able to see your reviews under the review tab. I hope that this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, you can ask us at the library. We are happy to help you figure this out, and we hope you enjoy it. Good luck.